Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can create an AI talking photo on the Vidnoz AI website. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do? Simply we have to go to the website and then we have to create an account. So as you can see, I've already created my account. Now simply we have to go to the home section, and after going to the home section, as you can see, you will be able to see these all options. So we have to scroll down, and after scrolling down, you will get this option, AI tools option. So we have to click on it, and after clicking on the AI tools option, you will get the first option, AI talking photo. So we have to click on this. And after clicking on this, as you can see now, simply we have to provide the photo here. We have to upload it. I'm going to click on the upload. And now we have to choose the picture, that which picture we want to add. For example, if you want to add this one, it's up to you that which image you are adding. For example, I'm going to add this one here. So as you can see, now these images are also provided here. You can choose them as for the reference as well. For example, I'm going to choose this one here. As you can see, these samples are provided here. You can change the background music, you can change the caption, and if you want to check out the preview, you can also do that. As you can see, now I'm going to click on the preview here. So let's click on the preview and you will be able to see that. So as you can see, I'm going to click on cut this one here. If you want to generate the video, simply we have to click on the generate video, and after clicking on this, we have to wait for a few seconds, and after that our video will be ready to use. So in this way, you can create a AI talking photo on the Vidnoz AI website, and as you can see now, it's loading. After a few seconds, it will be ready to download. So I hope you guys understand this video. So see you in the next video.